Welcome back. So two more important things which you need to know before you get started into this automation testing. So first one, how to reach trainer for queries. So in the last lecture I have told you that all your questions on course will be assisted in less than 24 hours. But how? How do you reach me? So for that there is one dedicated discussion board in our platform where you can post the questions and I'll get back to you in less than 12 hours. Okay, so I'll show you demo on how to raise and ask a question from our platform. So let me go back to the Udemy. Yeah, here, for example, you are watching this lecture. So basically this lecture is part of our REST API tutorial. So when you are watching, so this lecture is on explaining the terms of what is payload, what is header in APIs. Okay, so you have a question now. If you want to ask something, on the bottom you will see something like this, browse question and answer. Okay, if you click this, automatically the question tab will open on your right side. So now for example your question is on payload. Okay, you want to understand like what is payload, though you have went through the video, you want to get more information. So before you ask something, first just type here. You might be already having some questions which are raised by students and with solutions which are given by me. Okay, when you hit with search payload, so these are the questions you already have in your discussion board. Now for example, let's click this. Okay, so some people ask me how to organize payloads for different methods, and this is my answer. Okay, so like this, if there is any question, you will definitely see an answer at the bottom. Now, so someone want to know what is the difference between header and payload. Okay, click on this and this is their question and this is my answer, right? So in this way, whenever there is a question posted, I'll get back to you in less than 12 hours with a proper answer for your question. So if you don't find any question related to already in the list, so you can go ahead and ask a new question here. Okay, you can just click on this button, ask a new question and give some title about what you are going to ask and put some description, and once you start putting description, you will see this post question button will be enabled. So when you submit this, the question will be submitted into the discussion board and I will be prompted. Okay, so once I see that, I will get back to you based upon time zones. It could be like 12 hours or within less than a day. Okay, you will get response from me. So this is how you can reach me whenever you have a question in the course. Not only in the course, in your project or at your workplace, if you have any question, I can assist you. Okay, if you don't see any reply from me, then wait for 1 or 2 days. If I don't respond, first of all, I'll respond for sure. If I miss, you can also reach me through email, rahulonlinetutor@gmail.com, and you can ask the question there and I'm happy to assist you. Okay, so in this way there are multiple ways to reach me and to get your queries solved. Okay, this course is completely interactive. Though these are videos hosted on the platform, that doesn't mean that trainer will not interact with you. I am always available and I am there to answer all your questions. Okay, and second one, so what made this course a bestseller in Udemy? Okay, there are a lot of courses available on REST API testing in the market. So why this specific course is chosen as a bestseller and with lot of popularity with student enrollments? Okay, so if you come back to our course landing page, you see that Udemy honored us with bestseller tag. Okay, you can see the tag here and you see more than 2,500 students enrolled. By the time you are watching this video, it's 2,684, and when you watch and when you enroll, by the time it could be 3,000 or 4,000. Okay, so what made this course so popular over internet? I just want to give you some bullet points which made us to stand out there. The first thing is the power of content. So any course, it all depends upon how valuable content you are providing. So there are more than 17 plus hours of training course tutorial. Okay, so if you go back, I initially started with 6 hours, but slowly I keep on updating the videos based upon the latest versions, and now we are at 17 plus hours of course material. Okay, so tomorrow this number could be 18 or 20 because I keep on updating the videos. Okay, and one more important thing, the reason being it picked as a bestseller in Udemy is like inclusion of real-time examples. You might see many tutorials over internet with some dummy applications or hello world applications. But here we are actually dealing and automating the REST APIs of real-time examples like Jira. This is test management to post all your bugs and to maintain your Scrum project. YouTube, Twitter, Google Maps. These are the top REST API providers, and if you know how to automate these, you can automate any application in the globe. Okay, that's the reason I have specifically picked this top REST APIs available over the market, and I have clearly explained to automate this from scratch level. Okay, so you will not find these kind of real-time examples in any other course, not only in Udemy, over internet as well. And you see that power of content with 17 plus hours tutorial. Okay, that's the one main thing to get as a bestseller. And next, as I said, student queries are answered in less than 24 hours. So for that reason, Udemy also honored us with one more tag, which is known as top responder. So this instructor is basically a top responder. So if you move your cursor here, it says in-course questions are typically answered within 24 hours. Okay, though they are saying 24, I will give my best to answer less than 12 only. Okay, you might see this tag here or sometimes at this part. So even there are a lot of tutorials available in Udemy platform, right? So Udemy carefully picked few tutorials where instructor is the top responder by answering all the student queries and have given badge to us. Okay, so this is a proof, social proof. And last question. So whenever there is a new version released on REST Assured API to automate all our REST APIs, I would go through that, and if I feel that if there is something new in the latest version, I will definitely come up with video and add to our existing course. Okay, so when I made this video, it's like 9 to 10 hours, and the REST Assured version is somewhere 1.2 or 1.3. But now we are in some 3.1 version, I guess. And in this between, there are a lot of new updates happen. So whenever there is a new update, I made a video on it and see that our content went to 17 plus hours. Okay, so in this way, you need not worry about the latest versions coming in the market. So whenever there is a version released, in a month at least, in less than 30 days, I would update this course with all those new topics. Okay, so these are the common 3 reasons which made us stand as #1 in REST API testing on Udemy, and that's why we honored as bestseller. Okay, so I hope I have cleared and have given enough confidence to start your learning. And from the next lecture, we will go and start our proceedings with what is REST API and start learning some basic terminologies about it. All right, so hope see you in the next lecture. Thank you. Wish you all the best.